Hello everyone. I thought I'd get a video out today at least too. Little Gigi cat over here. She's being taunted by the birds outside. She does not like it. She does not like it one bit. She'll get them one day. She'll get them. She'll eat them. And they never mess with her again. That'd be good. That's all this girl wants to do. She wants to mess them up. You guys hear those birds? They get louder too. I don't know why they stopped. We love a Gigi cat. She knows where it's at. She's crazy, you know. She's real crazy. Crazy, beautiful. Crazy, 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 pretty. Look how little she is. Boom. Everything's well and good. Got 3 days left in the work week for me. Oh. Pray things go well. Yeah, that impulse buy I do regret. Oh, it's on the way already though, so. I bet you never find a deal for the Authentics 500 like that. I got it for under $450 when it's usually $750 where I'm from, so USD. So it's kind of crazy. I can't wait to hear it. Oh, very peaceful tonight. It was over 76 degrees here in Anchorage, Alaska today. It was crazy. That's why there's a box fan in the window. I got crazy deals on that PlayStation, so I put it on one of my cards. Pay it off quickly. You know how it is in modern America. Because everything costs an arm and a leg. If you could find it for less of an arm and less of a leg, I guess you just buy it when you can, you know. God's been very good and blessed me, and I'm going to repay him with hard work and effort. I love you guys, and I thank you guys for watching my content. I don't care if y'all subscribe or like. I just appreciate you watching. Tuning in, as the kids would say. Some Cowboy Bebop and Evangelion playing tonight. Can't believe Gigi left. You guys get to see her cute little walk though, so it's okay. God bless everyone. Probably post